Today I am going to show you how to make this gorgeous slip dress. Minimalistic from the front, but what a sexy open back when you turn. With the ruffle detail, it's romantic and flirty.
Hi everyone, my name is Kalin and welcome to Kalin for You.
The fabric I recommend for this dress is a satin for a statement dress, but you can use any other fabric to make a nice casual dress that you can wear around the town. A detailed cut and sewing for this dress is available in the patterns I have provided in the description below. Start by cutting out all the pieces. This is the front bodice. And this is the back of the bodice. The curve I am cutting right now is the open back where I am going to assemble the ruffle. This is the front skirt that I am adapting from a pencil skirt to a flare skirt. And this is the back of the skirt. Now let's get in the sewing process. Sew the dots at the body's front piece, right side facing. Sew the dots at the skirt back piece, right side facing. Press the dots down towards the middle of the pieces. Place the front bodice on the front skirt right side facing, align the bust lines and sew them together. Do the same thing with the back bodice and the back skirt. Overlock the raw edges. Press all the seams up towards the neckline. Place the front of the dress on the back piece, right side facing, align the shoulder lines and the side seams and stitch them together. Overlock all the seams, including the center lines and the back pieces. Assemble the invisible zipper on the back of the dress. I have a detailed explanation about this process in my pattern. To finish the back, position the fabrics right side together and sew from the bottom of the garment up to the stitching of the zip. Press the seams open. Cut a few bias strips of fabric approximately 4 cm wide for the neckline and armhole finish. Join the ends by stitching them together right side facing. Press the seams open. Fold them in two lengthwise, wrong side facing, and press them down. Sew them along the armhole right side facing. Flip the biases on the wrong side of the bodice and sew them down. Now we are going to make the ruffle detail on the back. You can either cut 2 ruffles on a single thickness and overlock the edges, or cut 2 pieces for each ruffle as I did and sew them together. Place the inside curves of the ruffle on the garment back curve, right side facing, and sew it down. Cut a few bias strips of fabric approximately 4 cm wide, fold them lengthwise right side facing, and sew them all the way around the back curve to cover the ruffle and have a neat finish. Flip the biases on the wrong side of the bodice, top stitch all the way around the back curve. Cut again a few bias strips of fabric for the neckline finish and sew them all the way around the neckline. Cut 2 strips of fabric approximately 4 cm wide for the string on the back of the neck. Fold them lengthwise right side facing and sew along the length. Turn them on the right side, pushing the fabric on one of the ends and top stitch the string. Now flip the bias on the wrong side of the bodice and fold the surplus of the bias's edge to the inside. Place the string's raw end under the bias strip's end and pin it down. Top stitch the neckline. Hem the bottom of the dress by folding over about 7 mm, stitch the hem down and iron it.